everybody, this is my new product. This will be a limited edition item. This will be releasing very, very soon. All of the information and the details will be in my description box where you can go and check this out. This is the same exact formula as my original adhesive and skin guard. However, this has a watermelon scent. It smells absolutely delicious. It's just unbelievable. It's unrealistic that this vision actually happened and came to life. So jumping right into the install, I'm spraying the Sleek Sheen on her hair. I went ahead and blow dried it out. Then I braided it down straight back just like this. Then we're going to go back in with the Hold Me Down holding spray, and we're going to spray her edges back. Just smooth them on back. Of course, you're going to use a blow dryer to complete this step with you. Don't mind her, she's being real extra right now. But the caps, that's a question that I always get. What kind of caps do I use? Honestly, I don't know the brand or the name. However, I just know that they sell them at the hair store. But I'm went in with the Hold Me Down Skin Guard, and it's going to be the same exact process. You're going to spray the skin guard, go in with the adhesive, and create your ball cap. The hair we're going to be working with today is from Nadula, and this is their 26-inch straight transparent 13x4 lace front wig. And I just went in and applied the makeup on the back side of her lace, went ahead and cut her cap off, and now we're going to put that same makeup on the top of her ball cap. So when you're creating your ball cap, you do want to stretch it down pretty far so you can have a super, super thin, seamless cap. I also like to go in with the Hold Me Down Skin Guard and spray that on the back side of the lace as well, because I feel like this gives a secure hold, like a really, really secure hold, because the skin guard preps the skin, primes the skin, and it also allows the adhesive to stick way better. So I just like to spray it on the back side of the lace as well. So when you go ahead and apply it on top of the adhesive, it just all goes and mesh completely well. The lace on this wig is a transparent lace, and I also wanted to just part it and show you guys that it looks like a scalp. This is the closest thing that you're going to get to an HD lace in these times. The Swiss light brown lace cannot give you these results. Transparent and HD is the only products that are going to give you these results where it's going to melt completely well. I went in with the Sleek Sheen again, and what I'm going to do is press her roots out so they can be completely flat. Today I'm going for a cute little half up, half down hairstyle with two little bang curls in the front, and it's going to be a little triangle parted out bang piece, I guess you would call it. But I'm taking the Frizz Bully wax stick and going in with this with the hot comb. This is going to be your best friend. Like, the wax stick and the hot comb are like peanut butter and jelly, like white on rice. Like Kool-Aid with sugar. It's like a perfect combo. And boom. The Hold Me Down holding spray, it just seals the freaking deal. Like, just watch how flat and flawless this install is about to get. You want to make sure that you do this step when your hot comb isn't completely hot, fresh off the stove, because you will burn the hair. However, this is going to be the perfect combo. The wax stick, and then you go on with the hot comb, and then just spraying the holding spray on top of that just seals the deal. And let's not forget the quality of the hair. The quality of the hair definitely matters, because if you have a thick old lace, some raggedy old hair, it just is number one, it's not going to look this good. And I haven't even put a lot of products all over the hair yet, and it's just coming together flawlessly and beautifully. I'm just going in with some jet black rinse and a little bit of makeup just to clean the part up a little bit. Once again, this is Nadula's transparent 26-inch 13 by 4 lace front wig. I'm going in and cutting the baby hair and starting to create them. I saw this trick on Instagram on IAmErickaJ's Instagram TV video where he did a little tutorial on how he did his styling. And this was a really good tip, especially for straight hair. I've always struggled with this, and I know you guys struggle with this. He went ahead and did exactly what I'm showing you guys. He went ahead and just gave the baby hair a little bump, like gave it a little curl. And all he did was went in and sprayed some holding spray on it lightly and started to form it. This was a huge game changer for me, because when you're doing something with curly hair, it's so easy to swoop some baby hair, real easy. But when you're doing straight hair or body wave, it can be challenging to create that curve that you need the hair to create. Once you do that, you can go in and just start to pluck some of the hairs out, because these are too thick, way too thick. Once you get the baby hair exactly how you like them, just lightly put some holding spray on your finger or on the little comb, and then just curve the baby hair exactly in the direction you want them to go in. I got these little knockers from the local beauty supply store by my shop, and I just really want to take some time to give these the credit that they deserve, because these were my favorite hair accessory as a child. Really quickly, I used to hate wand curls. Like, I used to hate doing them because they took so long. My fingers used to get burnt up, and I just felt like they just were pointless because they dropped so fast. However, this wand curler has got to be my favorite wand curler in the world. I hope I never lose it. I hope it never breaks, because this wand curler, you get everything done so fast. Everything comes out so neatly, so precisely, so even. Just everything just comes together so beautifully with this wand curler. I don't know the name of it, but as soon as I find out the name of it, I'm going to put it down in the description box for you guys. But I just picked it up from my local beauty supply store. It was literally $22. It was so cheap, but this thing works wonders. But I just wanted to show you guys that I just went in and did the wand curls, and I lightly sprayed it with the holding spray before I let it drop. That really does change the game as well for your curls, because they are going to stay in place. They're going to look so flawless, and they just look how they look. I don't even have to say anything. From straight to this, like, just get into this. I'm in love with this hairstyle. So that pretty much sums up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I absolutely love this install. I hope that when you guys actually order and get your products, the watermelon treat, the hold me down adhesive special edition of that, I feel like you guys are going to absolutely love it. I can't wait to see you guys' reaction to the smell, because it's just magical, like unbelievable. Like, you want to eat it type of, like, you want to just spray it all over your body, rub it all over your body, bathe in it, everything. But I just wanted to show you guys this cute hairstyle, get into the details of the eyeshadow and the eyeliner with the pink and the green for the watermelon tree. Like, just get into it. And that little baby hair trick that IAmErickaJ shared on his page, that was awesome, because doing baby hair with straight hair and body wave hair is just not it. So I really appreciate that cute little tip. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and I'll see you next time. One more time, shout out to Nadula, one of my favorite companies ever to work with. And y'all go shop with them.